Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting essentials ready. Make sure your laptop and the casting receiver are on the same Wi-Fi, since casting depends on local network discovery. Open Chrome or Edge now because they support built-in casting. If you plan to cast from phone, have the Jio Hotstar app updated. Sign in so protected streams are available. Once done, confirm playback works locally. This step prevents later DRM or login interruptions and speeds up the next step, finding and sending the tab or screen to the receiver. Now you initiate the cast. Play the Jio Hotstar video in your browser and pause at the first frame so playback metadata loads. From the browser menu, pick Cast, then choose the target device. Pick Cast tab to keep audio/video synchronized. If the stream stutters, reduce Hotstar quality or switch to Cast Desktop as a fallback. Make sure no VPN or proxy interferes because encrypted streams often fail over altered networks. This sequence ensures the video, audio, and controls remain responsive on both ends. Finish by confirming playback control on your laptop. Use browser controls to play, pause, and seek, and check the system sound mixer so audio goes to the cast device. If HD playback is blocked by DRM, switch to Cast Desktop or connect via HDMI for native output. This often bypasses tab restrictions. If the receiver does not appear, restart the router and casting device, then re-log in to Hotstar. Doing so resolves most discovery and authentication glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.